Hey guys, Ray from LYRV.com. Well, we did it. 75,000 subs. Thank you very much. And as promised, I'm going to give away a whole whack of stuff here to my subscribers. So what we have for you is number one, an SOK battery, 100 amp hour lithium battery. Also have a 500 amp hour Jackery box, the Jackery 500. We have an i10 Tireminder tire pressure monitoring system. The Haloview rear camera. It's like it fits on your rear view mirror, and then you got the rear view of your RV, but also it's a dash cam. And also there's a similar device from Akaso that I have. So 5 different things. I'm going to give it away randomly. All you have to do is send me an email. The email address is rvhappyhour@gmail.com. So this is an email address I have but I don't really use, so it doesn't get any emails. So I know every email that goes there is going to be from someone who wants to enter the contest. All you have to do is tell me what you want. You can just put in the message, put all, if you want to be entered to all the different products. If there's some products you don't want and you just want a specific product, just tell me which one you want to be entered for. Also, only send one email. Don't be like grabbing a bunch of your email addresses and multiple entry. What I'm going to do is, the way Gmail works is I'll be able to see all the different emails, how many emails I have. I'll go to a random number generator. There's one for Google. I'll get a random number and I'll match it to what's in the list on the Gmail, and then that'll be the winner for. I'll start with one prize and keep going from there, and then contact the winners. So make sure you use an email address you're going to answer, because I'm going to contact you within a week. So it's Sunday now, so it'll be next Sunday. I'll do the draw, and then I'll give a week for you to answer. And if you don't answer, I'll move on to the next person. And then once the contest is done, I'll just take all the emails and delete them. So this isn't going to be something where I'm trying to get you to like something or share something, or I'm trying to get you on my list so I can promote stuff. Totally no strings attached. I'm just trying to get your email so I can contact you after I have it. After I've done the giveaway, I just always get rid of them. So I just don't want this to be a promotional affair. This is about thanking you for subscribing and viewing my channel. This will be a video that I put on YouTube. I'm not even going to put in giveaway. I'm just going to go 75,000 people subscribe, thank you. And I'm also going to send it to my newsletter list, because they follow me closely as well. But I'm not going to promote this as a giveaway, so a bunch of people that never follow me are trying to get at the prizes. So actually, it's in your best interest, don't share this with anybody. I just want the people that actually see my videos and follow me closely to have a chance for the giveaway. Anyway, like I say, thanks very much. Really appreciate everybody following and supporting my channel. Till next time, Ray from LYRV.com. Good luck, everyone. Cheers. Cheers.